You're dedicated to keeping your plant operating at full capacity. You follow a scheduled maintenance program and consistently check your gear drives for issues. But unforeseen mechanical failure can happen suddenly, even when equipment is routinely well maintained. Over time, oil breaks down, causing friction between parts. This is caused by several factors. Water condensation buildup causes oil to lose lubrication properties. As gear drives run too long at higher temperatures, oil oxidizes and degrades. Poor maintenance or a failed lubrication system can also result in excess friction, heat, and wear. As time goes on, the damage gets worse. Vibration increases. Gear teeth wear unevenly, becoming misshapen. Operation declines. And in extreme cases, metal fragments break off internal components, leading to sudden, catastrophic failure. Eventually, the gear drive stops working, threatening to slow down or halt your entire production line. Failure to identify and predict these issues before they occur results in suboptimal operating conditions and unplanned downtime. And when you have orders to fulfill, this delay can cost millions of dollars. Don't wait for failure to occur. Rexnord's smart connected technology allows you to monitor your gear drive in real time. Our smart condition monitoring system understands the context of how each device is being operated and provides insight into the mechanical health, quality of lubrication, and proper usage of the asset. Our smart condition monitoring system identifies oil degradation and other issues before damage occurs and provides you with actionable insights. Our smart monitoring system measures relative humidity within the oil to prevent contamination. It measures oil temperature to keep the cooling system working properly, preventing oil breakdown. It measures oil oxidation to ensure continued lubrication of components and predicts when an oil change is needed. It sends alerts when oil levels get low, preventing friction-induced failure. Receive notifications, alerts, and insights via text, email, and our connected web portal. On-site, a local connection to your PLC or DCS sends alerts to your control system, as well as to a stack light directly on the gear drive, giving you a clear visual indication of equipment status. The Rexnord Smart Condition Monitoring System reduces downtime, extends asset life, and improves performance levels, and provides 24/7 monitoring. Additional features include lab and field-proven algorithms designed to provide actionable insights, on-demand product information to guide you through product installation, maintenance, and replacement, history, data, and product performance analysis, all easily accessible whenever and wherever you need information. From installation and commissioning to maintenance and repair, Rexnord delivers the resources and information you need when you need it. Powered by innovation, technology, experience, powered by direction.